Okay, and just have a look on the chat box. Okay, so the majority are fine with the sound and, you know, they can see me. So we have like some complaints, you know, some issues, but I do not think it's from my side. Okay. The contractor is, okay, we are good to go. The first method we will talk about is the impacted as planned. It's an additive method. It's a modeled because I'm adding additional activities. The procedure is to add activities, which is a fragment to represent the additional work I'm going to do or the additional impact I am having in the program or in the project. But I'm adding this into the baseline itself. Advantages, it's easy and straightforward, right? So there is no confusion. You just take, we agree which program we are dealing with or which program we are using, and we are modeling the additional impact into this program. Disadvantages, it's a theoretical because actual progress or contemporary records are not taken into account. Because, for example, after 1 year of the project and you are going back to the baseline and you are showing me some delays, so the project status totally changed right now. You know, I have, so what about the contractor's delay? What if the contractor did not do any? So imagine with me that after 1 year, 1 year after the project commencement, the contractor did not do any work in the project. And you can still go back to the baseline and the model employers events and the claim for entitlement. It just doesn't make sense. You know, it doesn't represent at all the actual progress or the contemporary records. And because of that, we do not have any concurrent delays. We can use it in only like certain cases, very, very particular cases in very small projects. For example, a project for a pipe installation, which will take 2 to 7 days only. It's a very small project. You know, we typically work with larger projects, but if I want to deal with a pipe installation task that will last for 2 to 7 days, as per the PMI's definition, it's a project. It's a temporary endeavor. It has unique start and finish duration. So because of its uniqueness, it's a project. We have to consider it as a project. So in this case, it makes sense to use the impacted as planned because nothing to worry about. It's only 7 days, you know, so there is no update. You know, the actual progress over time or the contemporary records do not have this much impact, you know, over time in 7 days only. So it's actually makes sense to go back to the baseline, just to model the impact very quickly.